Hello mga bay! Kumusta kayo? So, ang gagawin namin today is bibili ng... What bibili mi? What want to buy?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Oh, kasi craving na craving si Melina eh. Gusto ng ice cream eh. So ngayon, kasama namin tong isa. You know?
I want to.
Yun to. Let's go. Bye. See you mga bay. God bless. Hala, bye-bye Len. So itong isa naman is
I want to go with
sila lang mag-isa. Sige na, go. Go.
Okay, I'm going by myself.
So papunta na kami sa baba mga bay. Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, video.
Oh, ayan na sila. Nauna pa sa akin. Kasi gusto nila mag-isa sa elevator eh. Bawat elevator sila mag-isa lang. Yeah, let's go. Okay, mga bay. Punta na kami sa ice creaman. Kasi itong costume ng dalawa. Me, holding us. Me, where you want to go to buy ice cream? The where? You will check. Which ice cream you like, Len?
The pink one and the white one and the chocolate down.
Ah, the chocolate one. The mix one. Ami. You also excited, Len? Say hi to our channel. Ami. Okay. Hello. Dito na kami sa Soking tindahan. What you want, Len? What you want, Len? Oh, ice cream. You like ice cream, di ba?
I'm getting ice cream.
Which ice cream?
Just one.
Just only one. Which ice cream you like? Not that one. You like that one? Which one you like, me?
Chocolate.
This one. Okay, close the door. Okay, brother will be angry. Okay, sorry.
Okay, ice cream and paborito
Okay,
mo.
magbayad na kami guys.
Okay.
Ayan eh.
I want your board.
Go, tapos na kami. Let's go. Tapos na. Oh, there's a spoon here. Spoon here. Okay, we'll open that one in the house, okay? Len, me. What you will say? You not say thank you to me?
Thank you, Lani.
Huh? Not say thank you to me?
Thank you.
Sige, can I see your teeth? How about your teeth, Len? See me? Let's go. Sige na. Tapos na. Yun lang, ice cream lang binili namin. Kasi nag-craving tong dalawa eh. Malapit lang naman ang tirahan namin eh. Lakad lang. Yan, me. So later we going to grocery, ha? Okay. Oh, wait. Bye.
Bye.
Len. I thought you like the ice cream, the ano one, what is all, Len? What ice cream you like, Len? The chocolate one? Oh, go. Ayan, what do you say?
Thank you.
Let's say thank you to me.
Thank you.
Okay.
Oh no, the door's locked.
Huh?
The door's locked. How?
What?
I'll try the key.
You know how to do it?
Yeah.
No, that's lock. It's other side like that. Like that. Ah. Give me that. Wash your hands, guys. Alin? You'll open now?
Let me wash my hands.
Okay, wash your hands first. I told you ba, before you eat your food, you have to wash your hands. You done? Oh, slipper Lin, outside. Slipper me. You put slipper outside me.
Done.
Ay, you didn't wash your hands. Only Mimi washing hands. You excited? Oh, open your ice cream. Open your ice cream. Which one you like, the vanilla one or chocolate?
I like the vanilla one. I like the chocolate.
Okay, you like the chocolate then?
Ouch.
So yummy.
Yeah, ouch.
Can I see your teeth, please?
Eee.
I like your teeth.
I like my teeth.
Wow.
I'm gonna eat here.
Here.
No, here.
Don't eat there. Finish? You put, sabon?
Yeah.
Open mo na. Open your ice cream. Wow, where's your spoon? Nga pala, itong isa, hindi pa ito nag-aaral ito. Si Milena. Itong isa naman is
Where did that mess?
bakasyon na. Ha? What can you say to Mimi, Elena?
Thank you.
Mhm. Alin? Wow. So yun, enjoy na sila. Mga bahay, dito muna kami sa bahay. Sa mamaya, mag-grocery daw kami mamaya eh. So, abangan nyo ang pasyal namin, shopping. So, siyempre, kasama talaga to. Ito, see your teeth? Okay mga bay. Okay mga bay, punta kami ngayon sa Lina, Lulu. Come on, Len. Len, where are you going? Move. Come on, Lulu. Len, me. Okay. Len. What did you bring, Len? Huh?
Yeah, I buy this one.
What is that? Len, what is that? Hmm. Okay, bili kami ng itlog. Ayan oh. Oh yeah, yes, you're very excited to buy egg. Wait, I will check the price. I'll check the price. Wait lang, Len. Not yet that one. Not yet this one. Not this one. Excited ka naman. Wait. Wait, malaglag. Wait lang. I'll get another one. This one na lang, Len. Anong gusto mo? Ito na lang. This one na lang. This is big. Check. Slowly ha. Look. So big. Slowly. Put in the cart. Slowly. Hold this one. Okay. Me. Ma-share na guys. Oh. Only one. Apa? Okay. Oh.
I forgot.
Si Maracusa. Slowly, Len. Okay, bayad din kami ng Mimi. Lena. Okay.
Can I buy?
Len. Ha?
Daddy, can you help me?
So expensive. Listen. Spring rolls.
Daddy,
Yeah.
can I buy this
Bibili kami ng spring rolls. What is that?
chocolate?
Ha?
And chocolate.
We'll eat first. Then after chocolate. Okay? Come on. Okay, get.
I I'm not a boy. I'm a coconut.
Okay, we'll buy that. Mahal naman ito na. Grabe oh. Which one? Which one you like? Alis na lang, alis na lang.
What the me?
Okay,
What the me?
let's go. Go, we'll buy also carrots. Kasi we make lumpiang Shanghai. Come on in. Okay. We'll buy carrots. Nah, me.
I'm not a boy.
It's a...
I'm not a girl.
Yes, go.
I'm a coconut. Coconut.
So ngayon, walang titingin ha. Delikado pag tinitingin pa kayo. Up, up, up. Alaka. Bayad na tayo. Ayan na. Ito na kasi bayad na tayo. Let's go na. Let's go na. Kasi malaki pang damage sila pag tingin-tingin pa kayo dyan eh. Okay guys.
I'm gonna take your pizza.
Tapos na. Ang dalawa. Okay guys. Let's go. Hello mga boys. So, dito na kami sa bahay. Galing kaming tawag doon. Grocery. Yeah, see your teeth.
Nice.
Sige na nga bye. So see you sa next video namin. Panoorin nyo mga guys. Panoorin nyo mga bye. Kasi nga maganda tong video about family. Thank you mga bye. God bless and enjoy watching. Paalam.